Oh wait, sorry. Hey everyone! So today we are doing a very exciting video. When you see Christmas dresses like these, you just know it's gonna be good. We're here! Our fun Christmas dresses! As you guys can see by the title, today we are going to be making some TikTok Christmas foods or holiday themed foods. If you celebrate Christmas, today is Christmas when we're posting this. But if you don't celebrate Christmas, then today we are just going to be making some holiday themed fun snacks. Also, obviously, I have my mom here with me. She's gonna help us cook today. We have 3 recipes that we've chosen off TikTok, and we are going to start with a recipe that has cupcakes because we want cupcakes. Oh, I can't wait. I'm like, let's do cupcakes first. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna make is this wreath made out of chocolate cupcakes. Now this one I don't think is gonna be too difficult because it's basically just icing it. Yeah. But I've been wrong before. Yeah, it'll be so easy. It's gonna be so easy. Everything is so easy for us. We got this. We're just super good at everything. My mom's mind, everything goes by super quick. We already made it a lot easier for us because we have the cupcakes already done. So really we just have to ice. They smell so good. So we might just do like 1 loop. Hopefully that's a thick enough wreath. It'll be a skinny wreath. Skinny wreath? Mom, skinny. Okay. 1 cupcake. 2 cupcakes. Look at you. You know you're counting. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah. Oh, good. That's really good. Mm-hmm. Yeah. She's like quick on the crumbs. Yeah, gotta get those. Yeah, let me clean the plate in the middle. Let me get that. Let me get that for you. I would hate for that to be in the way. Right? Wreath is already set. And you know, the thing with TikTok videos is it always just looks so easy. Do you want to be on wreath duty or do you want to be on bow duty? I feel like I better taste it to make sure it's okay for everyone. Oh, yum. Cream cheese. Mm-hmm. Yum. Wreath duty, how about? Okay. So in the TikTok, it was like, you know, you saw. Okay, and I'm doing the bow? Oh wait, did you just say it doesn't, you know what? It doesn't matter. You tell me what you want to do. Oh, I'm on bow? Okay. No, I'll do it. I'm scared. I'm scared too. You're making the whole thing green. Oh, hang on. Should you make the whole... Hang on, don't I? All right, well, I guess maybe we'll need the whole thing. I think so. Okay, what am I doing? What's wrong here? Maybe you gotta knead it a little bit. I need you. Mia, I need you. You're very penny today. I am penny. Okay, like okay. Mia, okay, just hang on a second. That you don't get it around the edges. Why so much? Oh my gosh, I put on the wrong tip. You did put on the wrong tip. All right, take it easy. Take it easy. That looks great. Is it going okay? Are you kidding? That looks awesome. Ooh, look at you go. Yeah, girl, I didn't wear my Skechers for nothing. I knew you meant business when you asked for your Skechers. Well, my hand won't uncurl. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Yeah, it's looking really good. It looks good. Yell it, girl. Nice. Woo! It's looking great! Sorry, I had to get that out. Yeah, I am so impressed. Something we're doing is actually working. And we haven't broke anything. Nothing's exploded. There's been no fires. I don't even know what to think. I'm just scared I might drop it when I go to put it in the fridge. Now, did you need that icing? Did I need what icing? That's looking good. Is it? It's rock hard, hey? Yeah, it's a year old. And do you need the tassels? There was no tassels. Oh, wasn't there? Oh, it's that kind of a bow. Oh, Mia, if you want to make that kind of... Oh, no tassels? Mia, if you're making that kind of a bow. Okay. Okay. Mom's like, okay. Mom's like, Yeah. Are we gonna add the tassels? Do you want to add tassels? It's like so hot. What? No tassels.
Well, we could always add the tassels after.
I don't know.
Oh yeah, Mia.
Oh yeah.
Look how cute that is.
That's really cute.
Oh yeah. Oh, I love it.
Okay, so let's put it in the fridge while we clean up. And now we're just going to add Smarties. What is that called? What is in wreath? Like, what is the Smarties supposed to be?
Cranberries. Oh no, holly berries.
Cranberries.
Cranberries.
Cranberries. Cranberries.
Like she's so sure.
Whoa, not many red ones in this.
Don't they say that something about red, like eat the red ones last?
Yeah, when
something?
you eat your Smarties, do you eat the red ones last? Do you crunch them very slowly or suck them very fast? Eat the candy-coated chocolate soda. Tell me when I ask, when you eat your Smarties, do you eat the red ones last?
All right.
Oh my gosh. Love it.
All right, you guys. Here is our wreath. We'll put it next to the TikTok. It's not perfect, but it's pretty good.
What do you
Okay, fine. It's perfect. It's perfect.
Yeah, we didn't want to say, but
it's perfect. The only way to truly celebrate our craft
it's a craft.
Our
We made
baking?
it. Yeah, our baking.
is to eat one.
Second breakfast.
Ready?
Oh yeah, cheers. Mmm. Very delicious.
It looks like a.
It looks like a Christmas bear.
It looks like the Grinch.
Aww,
Grinch cake.
Mm-hmm.
One done. Okay, so the next recipe we're gonna try isn't really like a holiday themed recipe. It's cloud bread, which is so popular on TikTok. Well, that's where I saw it anyways, and like lots of views on all the cloud bread and everything. But I thought we would make it holiday themed by doing red and green colors because I just really want to make cloud bread. I really want to try it. I want to see if it works. It seems pretty simple. I'll show you guys the video right now. They made blue cloud bread. So egg whites, cornstarch, and white sugar apparently is all you need. And then you just whisk it all together until it's like really, really, really frothy and fluffy until stiff peaks.
Ooh.
See? And then you just put it on a baking sheet and you cook it. Oh, wow. And like that's apparently it.
That's crazy.
Right?
300 degrees for 25 minutes.
And then look at this.
Oh wow.
What's it gonna taste
It's gonna
like?
be like a cake or something.
Yeah, right?
Sweet bread.
Okay, so
Oh, sorry. Sweet bread.
first things first, we have to separate the yolk from the white.
Okay. Yeah, it looked like they had a lot more than just a few tablespoons of that.
I wonder what it's gonna taste like.
I know,
Like,
right?
It's just like egg white. It's gonna feel like eating a cotton ball. Like in the movie Elf.
Yeah.
Okay, so now you can drink that. Whisk this until it starts getting fluffy.
Bubbly. Sometimes they could go like this too.
Excellent. Survivor challenge! Anytime I have anything difficult to do in life, I always just think Survivor challenge. Put in that extra because
Even if you go too long without sleep, you're like, that's how I feel on Survivor.
it's true. Anytime I don't get a good sleep, I'm like, how would I memorize anything if I was this tired? Whoa, look at me, Mom! I just found a lot more energy. Where was this hiding? Where was this energy hiding?
For immunity.
For immunity. I'm cheating. I'm sure on Survivor they would give me one of these. Alright, you guys, I think the peaks are stiff. We have light green and red. So now we're supposed to plop it on. So I'll go in this corner.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Wow.
It feels cool. Okay, I want to take a little video of this. I want you guys to see it up close because like this is a really interesting consistency. Like look at that. Tap it on the top, Mom.
Okay. It's quite firm.
It's so fluffy and jiggly. Here's mine. It's very fun stuff. Okay, 25-ish minutes, so we'll have to keep an eye on it.
Oh, I can't even believe it. Like, I'm feeling the effects of my cupcake early in the day.
Okay, 25 minutes later, the buns are ready.
This isn't the easiest way to do it.
Smells like an egg. Does it not smell like
Yeah,
an egg?
it totally smells like an egg.
Let's see if they worked.
They totally worked!
Oh my gosh! It's such an egg, though.
Oh my goodness!
Like, I get why it smells like an egg.
Yeah, they're sticky though.
Let's take a bite.
Yeah. Yummy, yummy egg.
It's beautiful though. I'm sure a lot of people would really like the taste. For me personally, I can't really get over the smell of it. It really does smell like egg, but just to look at it, it looks super cute. And I think almost like if you were to put jam on it, then it would take the taste of anything you put on it, don't you think?
Yeah.
I would call this one a partial success. Because like it looks good and it works, but I don't know if I would eat it every day. Okay, so the last one we're gonna do is actually the one that kind of was the reason for me wanting to do this video. And it's because I have heard so much about these hot chocolate bombs, and like hot chocolate runs rampant in our household during winter. So now the fact that there are these like perfect little things you drop in the water or the milk, like
We need to try and make them.
so I have this TikTok right here. So let's watch how. This is the tutorial that I saw. There's a lot of different tutorials, but it seems pretty easy, but also kind of difficult. So you melt the chocolate, obviously, and then you coat the silicone mold, which we also have. You let it dry. Then you fill the mold with everything you're gonna want in the hot chocolate. So like the mix, the marshmallows, and you melt it and push it together.
I can't wait to do that.
And then it explodes.
Oh yeah.
And then like I've seen some people do like polar bear chocolate bombs, which I don't know if that will be too difficult for us. Oh, these snowmen. Yeah, like that's cute.
Who doesn't want the snowman?
Yeah, so we're gonna do something.
Yeah.
Something like that. Why did you grab such
Thought we were really making a lot of these.
I think mine is melted enough. Is yours still good?
Yeah, it's great.
Okay, so what we have to do is we have to coat the inside of the mold. The real judge should judge these. Dad.
Yeah.
He's the hot chocolate fiend.
Yeah, the hot chocolate connoisseur.
Literally walk into the house at any hour, any time, and he'll be cooking up a hot chocolate.
And try and like watch TV or anything with Dad when he's drinking hot chocolate. You
So
can't
loud.
because he's completely stirring. He's constantly stirring
Constantly
to make sure.
stirring, make sure nothing settles to the bottom.
Yeah.
All right, guys, I think the insides are now full. So we're gonna put it in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes, and while it's in there, we have to cut up our marshmallows because like 3 stores didn't have mini marshmallows. They only had big ones. So let's put these in.
Sounds good.
The truth of it is it's gonna fly out of the hot chocolate bomb like this anyway.
Yeah.
That is probably good
I think so.
for the marshmallows, you guys. We did it. Christmas tree!
If I had a candle, I could. No,
Wait, no, yeah, it was
no,
really
the candles behind
not
you.
what were you doing?
Oh, they're gonna be pretty thin on the
Oh gosh,
sides.
mine's gonna be really thin
Oh
on the side.
yeah.
What?
Good luck getting marshmallows in there.
Literally, okay, so delicate. Ooh, ooh! I got one! Ooh, gee!
Oh yeah.
Literally no room for hot chocolate in these. Oh my goodness. Like, oh my.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
I see what you're doing.
I'm gonna put like 2 marshmallows in here because like there's
The
no
marshmallows can be stacked a bit because it's gonna go into a hollow, right?
room. Oh my gosh, I can't get this off! It's melting! Oh no!
Mia, it's easy to make.
Hot chocolate bomb. Etsy shop coming soon.
They're really easy to make, aren't they?
Oh my goodness, this is so easy.
They. This is burning them.
Oh my
okay,
goodness,
so
turn that down.
Okay,
Yeah, turn
so-
it off. Turn that thing off. Okay, then should I try and close it up?
Mm-hmm.
Oh gosh. Oh.
Why?
Oh, like it's pretty clear to see it's a little full. Wait, what? Wait, what?
What's happening?
Look at. I didn't melt it this time.
Oh.
Oh my goodness, look.
Yeah, that's a better way. Mine's melting from this. This is wrecking it.
Mom.
Whose idea was that? Oh yeah, these are coming out way better now.
I wouldn't take them all out, Mom. I'd make one because like mine are melting just sitting on the counter.
Really?
Really, girl? Like I'm not just playing around. They're melting. Yeah.
Excuse me? What happened here?
Nothing. Don't worry about it. Keep your eyes on your own chocolate bombs. Okay, have this one. This one actually looks okay. The one that just came out of the freezer.
They do look good. They do look good.
It's one. They look good. They look good.
I could probably do one more quick coat on these ones. Oh yeah, we got 2 good ones here, Mia.
Mom. 3 good ones.
That's right.
Okay, you guys, so we're just gonna put this into the freezer and then we'll be back with a clean table. All right, you guys, we have the chocolate bombs here. As you can see, I successfully made 2. So we're getting a second angle in here, everyone.
Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna drop it right in. Oh, wow. Should I stir it around?
I really didn't think we'd get this far.
Oh, there it goes! Okay, what do I do?
You should tip it. Yeah. So
oh! It opened! There it is! It exploded! Oh my! It's working! It's totally doing what it's supposed to. And now I'm gonna stir it around. Oh my, this is gonna be great. I literally did not know if these were gonna actually work.
See?
Oh, see, there it goes.
Where are you?
Oh!
One little marshmallow.
It's small but mighty.
Oh wow, I can feel all the white chocolate at the bottom. This was a massive, massive success. It's pretty good.
Oh my gosh, it is so good.
It's actually really good because like the chocolate in there. Dad's gonna love those.
This rocks. Like this is not.
This literally, we're gonna walk into the kitchen and Dad's gonna be making hot chocolate bombs. It makes me want to buy some from like an Etsy shop because there's people who do this like professionally, and if ours are good, I bet theirs are amazing. Why is this so good? All right, you guys, so that has been making Christmas or holiday themed or just whatever. I guess recipes off TikTok. This is round 2 of this. I also tried recipes from TikTok in a past video, so if you're not food and TikToked out, make sure to go and watch that one. I think this was a lot of fun. I enjoyed spending some time with you, Ming.
Thanks, Mia. It was so much fun. I feel like something like totally thanks for having me. You know I love doing these fun crafts that I can come and help you with. I'm such a big help, right? Right?
If you are celebrating Christmas, I hope you guys have an amazing Christmas today. If you're not celebrating, I just hope you have an amazing day. Hopefully this was some laughs. If you guys try out any of the recipes we tried out, make sure to let us see them. Send them to me on Instagram. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye!